Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can set a stop loss on the Questrade. So first, you just have to open the Questrade mobile application or the website. And from there, you just have to log in your account. Once you're in here, you just have to tap on the stock or position that you want to protect. And then just tap on sell. And then under the order type, you just have to select stop market or stop limit. So, which is the same logic. So, from there, you can set your stop price and also limit price if applicable. And once you're done with that, just enter the quantity and set the time in force, like for example, day or GTC. Once you're done with that, just tap on review order, then place the order. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!